So when we go to a vendor and they say, well, we want to buy an oven, we want to use your product, we'll only recommend Euroquip products. Reason being is we get great results, which then means you get a great result, and you're getting great finished products like this pizza that's about to come out. And what it's going to allow you to do is have restaurant quality products even in a cafe, a coffee shop, a bar, bistro, pub, club, whatever it is that you want. Even if you're a caterer in a little food truck, the good thing with this is being a 6.9 kilowatt, it doesn't need a range hood. So that is one benefit, that if you're a vendor looking to buy something that is of high quality, small, compact, sleek, and does the job, because that's the most important thing, you can't go past a Moretti T64 Conveyor Oven. It was 3 minutes at 300 degrees.